1209 Haysboro Avenue. Today we're here to give you some insight into the property and its location. As I'm making this video, the property is listed on the open market, so be sure to check below for the status and latest pricing. With that, let's dive right in. This new construction home has a modern floor plan, consists of approximately 3,600 square feet, 4 beds, 4.5 bathrooms, all located on a corner lot with approximately 0.36 acres. So the property itself is indicated by this red locator pin, and it is situated on the north side of Inglewood. And then Inglewood is located within what is known as East Nashville, which is roughly outlined by that general area. One major perk I see of this property is that you are a quick drive to what is known as Briley Parkway, and then that connects you to a lot of the major highway systems, which gets you to places quickly. So you are about a 15-minute drive from the very heart of Nashville, downtown Nashville. If you're a frequent flyer or have a lot of friends coming into town to visit Nashville, you are a quick 10-minute drive to the Nashville International Airport. If you are a boater, you are 15 minutes or so to Percy Priest Lake, and then about 15 to 20 minutes to Old Hickory Lake. As far as services, so things like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, medical facilities, that kind of thing, you have pretty much all of those within about a 2-mile radius. Just to kind of show the highlights of that, you've got your Super Walmart up here to the northwest. You've got your Skyline Medical Facility over here, just a few minutes away. You've got your big box Home Depot there. You've got Eastside Bowl, and then you also have your Kroger and your Publix a little further down. And that is just the top. Of course, you have a lot more local and smaller places. And then also restaurants. East Nashville is home to all kinds of restaurants and coffee shops, as is the rest of Nashville. It seems like new ones are popping up every day. I'm not going to just going to quickly give a highlight on those. If you are big into outdoors and want to get out and go take a nice walk through nature, Shelby Bottoms is a great place to visit. Quick, easy access to it, and a lot of space to explore. You also have the Cornelia Fort Air Park, which has a cool little history to it. So a neat place to go take a walk on a airplane runway if you haven't never done that. And then if you didn't already notice that, you have easy access to Opry Mills Mall, the Grand Ole Opry, and then the Gaylord Opryland Resort and Convention Center as well. So that is just taking the top off of it. This area offers a lot more. One of the unique features of this property, especially for the area, is this partial wraparound porch as well as balcony. This also happens to be one of my favorite features of this home. Common theme you're going to find in this home is that all the rooms have this nice, big, spacious, airy feeling to them. On this primary floor, we have the living room, kitchen, primary suite, laundry room, couple storage closets, a half bathroom, and then the 2-car garage.
For this primary closet downstairs, the builder has left the closet open so that way the buyer can build the closet to their liking. They will provide a credit. This is your laundry/utility room. You have space for an additional sink to put there, as well as washer dryer, any custom shelving you'd like. And then in this closet, it's a little storage closet with the tankless water heater. As we head upstairs, you're going to find a flex room. Use that as a workout room, office, yoga room, whatever your desires are. In addition to that, you're going to find 3 bedrooms, one of which can be considered a second suite, and then 2 additional bedrooms, one of which has an attached bathroom and the other which has access to the walk-in balcony. That flex room I mentioned. Plenty of natural light, tongue and groove ceiling. This room has plenty of natural light and has the benefit of access to that balcony. This bedroom, plenty of natural light as well. It does have its own full bathroom. This room also has a full walk-in closet. I just happened to miss it. This is what I would consider your secondary suite. So in this room, you're going to find 2 separate walk-in closets and a full bathroom with a walk-in shower. So that finishes it for the inside. We're going to head back out though to check out that balcony. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this tour. See you around.